Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the goldmiky braces for men in a wide area with 5 centimeter. That means there's enough space and comfortable to wear for you because it is elastic and adjustable for men up to 1.96 meter height, 5 centimeter to 120 centimeter. We have here a unique design we put on and add style to our business clothes with this solid X back clip bracket. Classic and timeless in style, this breath take our wardrobe to the next level. And it is adjustable. The elastic strap and the metal buckles can be easily adjusted for an individual perfect fit. One size fits for all. Whether large or small, slim or round, it is an ideal for everyone. And perfect style. This man's bandage is elegant in its clear design and speaks just loud enough to stylishly adapt the variety of our silhouettes. The plain colors make it a must-have for a well-dressed man. We enjoy a snug fit with these high-quality clasps that grip securely without unintentional losing. And it's stylish and versatile. This breaks with a back fits for our tuxedo, formal shirts, shorts and jeans, perfect for school, wedding, ribbon, chore, orchestra, and other formal occasions. Be ready for compliments. And of course, it's a beautiful gift for man. For every man out there. Or husbands, fathers, boyfriends, grandpas. Or, of course, for girls too, if they like it. No problem for it. Suspenders. Or braces. These are fabrics or leather straps worn over the shoulders to hold up the skirt or trousers. The straps may be elasticated, either entirely for only attachment ends, and most straps are of woven cloth forming an X or an Y shape at the back. Suspenders are typically attached to skirts and trousers with clips or buttons using leather tabs at the end. In British English, a suspender belt, or a suspenders for short, is a garment used to hold up the stockings. This is called a garter belt in American English. There have been several predators to suspenders throughout the past 300 years, but modern suspenders were first popularized as braces in 1822 by a London haberdasher Albert Thurston. They were once almost universally worn due to the high cut of the mid 19th and early 20th century skirts and trousers that made the belt imperative. During the 19th century, suspenders were sometimes called galluses. Samuel Clemens, known for his work as the author Mark Twain, adjustable and detachable straps for garments, becomes one of the first to receive a United States patent for suspenders in 1871. You see, this is an historical but modern style of wearing a good, nice goldmiky braces. Nylon straps are an excellent choice, both in terms of fashion and functionality. Nylon is a lightweight and durable synthetic material with many unique properties that make it an ideal choice for straps. Diverse color selection. The nylon is an easily dyeable material, which means nylon straps are available in a variety of colors and patterns. Whether we are prefer classical black or trendy vibrant colors, we can find a nylon strap that suits for a style and preferences too. Because on the market it is in blue, in black, and in a little bit, what was it? The other, it's a little bit gray available, I think. because it is water resistance. Nylon materials typically have good water resistance, thus making nylon straps an ideal choice for outdoor activities and adventure sports. Whether hiking, camping, or engaging in water sports, nylon straps remain dry, do not absorb water, and do not discolor or deform due to moisture exposure. And lightweight and comfortable. The nylon is a lightweight material, making the straps feel light and not overly burden the body. It also has a soft feel, this making the straps comfortable to wear and not cause exercise strain or discomfort for the shoulder or back. And diverse color selections. Nylon is an easily dyeable material, which means nylon straps are available in a wide variety of colors and patterns. Whether we like to have a black or a trendy color, no problem for it. It is on the market. And the zigzag suspenders perfectly match to our tuxedo from shirts, and jeans. This is needed for nearly every time on the day. These are the goldmiky braces for men with a width of 5 cm, elastic and adjustable for men up to 1.96 meter of height. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.